What's up, guys? What am I up to? I don't know if I have any new content for this week. Maybe this one, more like a vlog type style video. I'm actually gonna go buy a battery for my truck and probably install it. I don't know, it's kind of raining out here. The weather's kind of bad. I don't know, I was thinking about catching up on some iCar classes too. I don't know, I'm not sure. But we'll see what happens. I might go buy the battery. I don't know. It kind of stopped raining, so I'll probably do that. And the whole issue with my battery on the truck was that they actually stole it. It was sitting like in my front yard or whatever, in my driveway, and I had left my hood cracked open a little bit, but I didn't think anybody would notice or anything like that. But they actually ended up stealing it, so now I gotta buy a new one. And I tried a few that I had just laying around, but none of them fit, so now I gotta buy a goddamn new one. As you can see, we made it to our neighborhood AutoZone. I'm gonna buy the battery and install it. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video on that. It's just disconnecting the terminals and putting them back on. But let's see how much they get me for. Bro, $155 for this battery. That's messed up. Whoever stole my battery, you fake, bro. You fake as fuck. Let's make sure that closes. Let's see. Nope. Uh-oh. No fucking way. Uh-oh. Well, y'all sat here first. Sucked my battery. That's fucked up. Okay, so now it won't even go on at all. It turned over like 2 or 3 times like you guys saw, and then I don't know what's going on there. I'm trying to jump it. It's not turning on. It's not even turning over, nothing. So